Hey, so today I am with the POCO X6 Pro and let me show you the design of this device. And at the back we can actually find the camera lenses, the three cameras right here. There's also this camera island. Here we can find the information about the 64 megapixel optic image stabilization camera. This back is actually made out of the glass and the frame is actually made out of the aluminum. At the top you can find the speaker. On the right side you can find the two buttons, the flat buttons actually. The display is completely flat, there's no any curve on the edges. On the bottom you can find another speaker, so there's like dual speaker on the phone. And there's the USB-C input and the SIM card slot. On the left side you cannot find nothing. And also on the screen you can find the factory installed screen protector. So that's how this device looks. It's really nice, and it's really nice to touch it. There's like nice feeling. It feels like you touch the premium device. So the feeling is really nice. The design, I also like it. It looks really nice for me. And you can tell me in the comments what you think about the design of this POCO X6 Pro. And at the bottom on the back you can also find the information about the 5G. So in this phone we can actually find the 5G connection. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.